Okay, this video is going to be about putting the running board lights on this Unlimited. I already put them on the Ram. I did a video on that. That's going to be similar. So actually, I already put them on, but I want to just show you real quick. So underneath here, you can see I took 1/2-inch PVC pipe, just that plastic pipe, and put end caps on it, and then painted it black, and then just took one of those sets for the running board strips that you get off Amazon. I'll put the link in the description, and then mounted that on there. I actually went ahead and used 3M spray to on the back side of that LED strip first before I put it on there, just to make sure it sticks real good, and then a couple of zip ties on there. Then all I did was just zip tied it to the bottom of the running board. Now if you're doing your rock crawling and stuff, you may just relocate it at a different spot. You do it up on the frame or something, and then I turned it at kind of at a 45-degree angle to get it to kind of splash the light out a little bit of ways from than just straight down. And then what makes this one a little bit different is what I did was use the 4-pin plug. So you got the 4-pin plug and the 7-pin plug, and then up underneath there's the wiring harness put on from the factory. And then all I did was use one of those splitters. And this is that 4-pin split adapter. And so all this is you just plug this in line, and then what I did was just cut off one of the other ends, and then just put on the little quick connects, and then that'll tie in with those with these sideboard running lights, so that you could just plug it into one side, plug it into the other, and then cut off the other 4-pin, and then tie that in with the running board lights. That way, if you ever wanted to take it all off, you didn't cut into your factory wiring harness or anything. And then something real important is make sure you check it before you put it all on. This is another set. It was a cheaper cost, cheaper brand that I originally had on there. Hooked it all up, turned it on, and the running board lights were white, and they were supposed to be amber color. So anyway, it's something I should have did, and usually do, is I check everything first. So let me turn it on real quick, give you a look, and then I'll do it at night so it looks a little bit more obvious. Sorry about the dirty Jeep. It's winter time, and this is just the running lights. And if you flip it around where you got the wires going out the back, it'll sequence toward the front, which is the way I like it better than the other way around. So I'll turn on a blinker. And the same thing with the other side. But anyway, this way it kind of cascades the light out at an angle to the side of the Jeep. And then I didn't hook up the courtesy light. There's a way to hook up with a white wire that you can tie it in with your courtesy light. So if you open the door or turn on dome light, then it sprays white light to the ground instead of the amber. I didn't need that, so I didn't hook it up. But it is there if somebody did want to hook it up. But anyway, hope this helps somebody, and it makes it simpler than chopping into your factory wiring harness.
Alright, here we are with the nighttime, so you can see what it looks like shining down. Turn on the blinker. Same setup on the Ram. Get off. Down low. But anyway, that's what it looks like at night, so it kind of splashes light out further than the Ram does. The Ram's running boards kind of cut it off. You can see it's sharp like that, so you can adjust it to get however much you want out to the side. But anyway, that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.